Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create gem video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application and I'm going to create a new project, and then we can import some videos or some photos that we want to edit. And then for the videos, I'm just going to use the videos from the CapCut library. I'm going to search for the gem and I'm going to choose portrait orientation. Okay, and I'm going to add some videos. Okay, this one, and then this one. Okay, like this. And then we can click on add to import the videos to our project. And for the ratio guys, you need to choose 9:16 ratio because we want to upload the video to TikTok or Instagram. Okay, and then I'm going to add sound or audio, and I'm just going to add audio that I have extracted before, this one. And then we can add audio beat to the audio. You can go to the beat and then select auto generate, and then I'm going to reduce the intensity. Okay, and click on the check mark, and then I'm going to cut the clip according to the beat mark. Okay, like this. And wait, I'm going to switch the video. I'm going to use this video as the opening. I'm going to choose this one. Oh, not this one, but okay, this one for the opening. So I'm going to bring this video to the first, and then I'm going to cut it here. Okay, you can cut it according to the beat mark, and then I'm going to create like a zoom effect like this. All right, and then I'm going to cut the other videos guys according to the beat mark like this. And since this is just for an example, I'm not gonna cut them all, so just for example. Okay, and then we're going to add transition. Okay, we can use keyframe like this, and then add the first keyframe and the second keyframe, and then I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and then add grab, and you can choose flow too. And same for the other video, you can repeat this tab for all your clips, for each clip. Okay, and grab, and then choose flow 2. All right, and then we're going to add effect. Go to the effect, select video effect, and you're going to search for flash slam effect. All right, and this one, and click on the check mark. Okay, after the flash slam, I'm going to apply black flash, but this is for the second clip. Okay, I'm gonna add black flash. You can search black flash and choose black flash 2. Okay, and then this is the result. Sorry, I cannot play it louder due to the copyright of the audio guys. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.